Too few products, and shoppers might miss out. Too many, and they're overwhelmed. This is the product loading dilemma faced by e-commerce sites every day. Let's explore how to solve this puzzle and optimize for both desktop and mobile, and discover the ideal number of products to display for the best user experience. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 502 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Load between 50 to 150 list items or search results at once on desktop and 15 to 30 on mobile. When too few products are loaded, some users will fail to grasp the full range of products available. A limited default list can make it difficult for shoppers to judge if they'll find suitable products or if they need to broaden their search. For instance, on IKEA's site, where only 24 items are loaded at once, users must navigate through 4 pages to get a reasonable overview. This slows down the scanning process considerably. On the other hand, loading too many products at once can be overwhelming for users. It can also slow down page loading and scrolling, especially if many images are being downloaded and held in memory. Users have little patience for such delays. Take Overstock, for example. They load 60 items by default. On mobile, scrolling through this many items before deciding to load more could test users' patience and cause delays on slower connections. The question of how many products to show by default is therefore a matter of balancing page performance and the point at which users should be prompted to load more products. On desktop, the best balance can be found by loading between 50 and 150 products at once. For visually driven products, 100 to 150 items should be loaded at once. For spec-driven products, 50 to 100 items is more appropriate. Visual products allow for higher numbers because users focus primarily on thumbnails, which can be assessed faster than text. Mobile devices, with their smaller screens, require a different approach. It's recommended to load only 15 to 30 products at once on mobile, all at the same time. Our testing showed that mobile users fatigued more quickly with long product lists compared to desktop users. On many visually driven sites, such as here on Crate and Barrel, users were comfortable viewing 100 or more products per page, as long as they were periodically interrupted by load more or view more products buttons. Home Depot loads 24 items by default into product lists and search results on mobile. This allows users to assess a reasonable number of items without loading a new page. It doesn't overwhelm them and loads quickly on most connections. While loading the recommended number of products can help users assess items efficiently, page performance can be optimized with smart loading techniques. A combination of a load more button and lazy loading can fetch products as users scroll towards them. This method works well for both infinite scrolling and traditional pagination. This example uses a combination of a load more button and dynamic fetching, loading 72 results each time users click load more on desktop. This approach addresses the performance issues typically associated with loading many products per page. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your list layout, including over 80 product list guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.